Okay, this is already ready. This is the process. It's been a couple hours, so I'm going to walk you through from the start. And I used my bread machine because it has a dough
hook.
Yes, thank you, a dough hook on it. And what I did, I started off with 2 cups of warm water, and that's like 110 to like 112 degrees, usually is about right. And I put in 2/3 of a cup of sugar, and I kind of stirred that up. Then I added 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. Stirred that up, and I let that sit for probably 5 or 10 minutes, kind of let it all get together. Then I added 1.5 tablespoons of salt to it and 1/4 cup of oil. And I used olive oil, I like olive oil. Mix that up, and now I have 5 cups of flour that I'm gonna put in it. So that's when I got my mixer going, and I put in half of that, about 2.5 cups, and let that mix up for a while. And I slowly added in the last 2.5 cups, so I had 5 cups in there. Got that till it actually starts banging around in the pan when you get about ready. Took it out, and I put it on a board and kneaded it with probably the last half cup of flour that I had. Took that, and you'll see I put it in a bowl after I kneaded it all together, and I let that sit for an hour with a piece of wrap across it. After an hour, I took it and divided it in 2. This actually makes 2 loaves. So I took the 2, and I took one of them and put it into our pan, into a ball, let it sit for another hour. And here's what we got after that.
350 degrees for 25
30 minutes,
or so.
yeah.
So we're gonna cook it outside. It is an oven. Think about this as an oven. If you say 350 degrees, then that's 350 degrees. How many is that on the bottom and how many on the top?
14 to 7.
You're brilliant.
Kelly told me I cheated.
14 and 7.
That's
so
right.
what do? We've already got our charcoal ready. So if you follow those steps, you're gonna have your beautiful loaf of bread. So we're gonna go ahead and put that up, and let's put 7 on the bottom, 14 on the top. Now the miraculous thing about this is how amazingly accurate this little trick is. So we got 14 on the top, 7 on the bottom. Guess what? It's gonna be 350 degrees. All right, let's check on this. An oven's an oven. Ho, 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 ho.
Beautiful.
We're gonna let that set just a second. Then we're gonna hot potato that out of there. And cut us a piece of that wonderful bread.
Should we share one because it's so big?
Oh yeah, no, I want a big one.
You want that whole thing?
Oh, you cut the whole heel off.
Yeah, you want that or no?
No, I want another piece. I want a whole piece.
All right, I'll take the heel.
I'm starving.
You can eat all that? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I can eat
okay,
all that.
all right, butter. That's beautiful.
And let's, ooh, look, here's what I like to do. Dip the bread in.
I already snuck some bread. Oh my goodness.
I'm just telling you.
That is so moist and delicious. Oh, wow.